Hello everyone and warm welcome to our YouTube channel Literary Society. The topic which I am going to discuss today is Age of Chaucer. Before starting the session, I would request you to please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Let's get started our topic. Chaucer was born in 1343 and he died in 1400. So, the period between 1340 to 1400 is called Age of Chaucer. Chaucer is called father of English literature. Now, there are some major events that took place in Chaucer age war. First one is Hundred Years' War. It started in 1337 and ended in 1453. It lasted for 116 years. This war was fought between England and France. Second major incident that took place during Chaucer's age was Black Death, which is also called bubonic plague. It occurred between 1348-49. It was caused because of black rats. One-third period population of England died. It took England 204 years to recover from this plague. So, the Black Death was major setback during Chaucer's age. Now, the peasants' revolt, it started in 1381. It is also called Taylor's Rebellion because Taylor was the head of peasants. It occurred due to the unrest among peasants. So, there were the major incidents which occurred during Chaucer's age. Now, Chaucer's writing can be divided into three periods. First one is French period. Second period is Italian period. Third period is English period. His early writings were written in French language. Then he wrote in Italian language and then in English language. During French period, he wrote many books. He translated Roman de la Rasa. The most important book in this period was the Book of Duchess. It was elegy and eulogy on the death of wife of Chaucer's patron John of Gaunt. It was written in Ottawa rhyme. Then he wrote ABC and a prayer to the Virgin, a long poem. Italian period. Since Chaucer was diplomat, he visited many countries. He visited Italy also. He was influenced by Boccaccio, Petrarch and Dante. He was most influenced by Boccaccio. He was least influenced by Dante. First book which was written in this period was The House of Fame. It was Dream Vision and Dream Allegory. It was written in
octosyllabic couplet.
It is an satirical poem.
It is a satirical poem.
It was influenced by Dante Divine Comedy.
So guys, the next important book which Chaucer wrote in this age was The Parliament of Fowls. It is also a dream vision. It has marriage. It shows a marriage of King Richard to Anne. It was written in rhyme royal. It contains passages that has directly been taken from Dante. Next important book is Troilus and Cressida. It is an epic poem. It was written in rhyme royal also. It is the longest poem, a complete poem, and has been divided in 5 books. It was influenced by Boccaccio's Il Filistretto. Robert Henryson wrote the sequel of Troilus and Cressida, and the name which he gave to his book was Testament of Cressida. Next is The Legend of Good Women. It was also a dream vision and an incomplete book planned 19 legends. It was written in decasyllabic heroic couplet. It was the first book of English written in heroic couplet. It has 10 stories of women written in 9 sections. Next period is English period. It was written in Mid-England dialect. Canterbury Tales was written in this period with 24 stories. So these were the important 3 periods in which Chaucer's writings can be divided. Let's talk something about Chaucer. He was born during Edward III period, left during Richard II, and died during Henry IV. He was the first poet to occupy the Poets' Corner in Westminster Abbey. Chaucer divides society into 3 conventional states. First one is the knights, nobility. Second is the working man, the third state. And the third one is ecclesiastic, which was about church. Chaucer's age is marked with 3 points: corruption in church, decline in feudal system, and third is rise in national consciousness. Chaucer is called earliest of great moderns. Now there are some things which are associated with different writers. Morning star of the Reformation is called Wycliffe. Wycliffe is called the morning star of Reformation. Morning star of Renaissance is called Chaucer. Spencer gave the term to Chaucer the well of English unfilled. Father of English literature. It was also called Chaucer was also called the father of English literature. Matthew Arnold said about Chaucer that Chaucer lacked high seriousness. He also called Chaucer as father of English poetry. Okay, let's summarize something. The Legend of Good Women was written in heroic couplet. Prologue and Canterbury Tales was written in heroic couplet. Book of Duchess was written in Ottawa rhyme. And Troilus and Cresside was written in rhyme royal. So guys, this was all about Chaucer's age. You can find short questions or MCQs questions from this age. For example, there might be a question that in which era Black Death occurred, or when was 100 Years' War fought, or name those countries in which countries 100 Years' War was fought. Peasant revolts age 1381. So these are the questions which can come in your exams. Another question, that which was the book written in heroic couplet? First book of English written in heroic couplet was The Legend of Good Women. So these questions can come in your exams. So go through this age carefully, because these notes have been prepared from authentic books like Teaching or some other authentic books. So must prepare these notes. And if you liked our videos, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, invite them to join it, and comment in the comment box and give your suggestions. Thank you, goodbye, and good luck for your exams.